Good morning, good day, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. I'm Hilda, your host. I hope everybody is doing okay. Welcome to the new subscriber. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and the comment below. And if you're new to this channel, you are welcome to browse the channel and search of the playlist. There are other craft in there. So I got contacted by this company called 7 Great to choose a product, and I chose a cross stitch. So I chose a nice cross stitch, a beautiful one. Let's see how this goes. We got with an extra. We got the leaflet with the instructions for cross stitch that can be used by the newbie. We got some needles. This is a what? I think this is a 14 count. Yeah, 14 count. And we got the needles. The needles doesn't look like 14 count. And a threader, a poof ball with the needles, and a thimble. Let's get this. We got 14 count, 40 by 40. 187 by 187 stitches, 35 color, which is good. There's a lot of confetti on this one. This is the image. If I can find it, I put it up, the entire image. Okay. It's like a window, a Christmas window, stained glass window. There's a lot of confetti heavy. We have, and this is a full stitch. You do the background, but the background is white, so you don't have to actually do it, but it will look nicer. Here is 35 color. Everything is looking nice. You can see the DMC codes. Now let's get to see the fabric. The fabric is serged all around. Okay, so we don't have that trouble of fraying. The symbols are clear. The DMC codes are clear. You can see them on this one. Again, it's a 14 count, 40 by 40 centimeters, 187 by 187 stitches with a stitching background. 35 is color 3865, which is a white, kind of a little off-white. Take a look at this. We have a lot of confetti, but we have some blocking to do. The symbols are clear. Doesn't look dull. Beautiful, vibrant colors. Let's take a look at that. We got 1, 2, 3. This is 38.65. This is for the background. 14 count, remember, is 2 strands. Let me get this done. I'm trying to here they are, the colors. Here it is, how beautiful they are. Blues, because there is a lot of blue on that one. Red for the poinsettias. Thank you, 7th grade, for this beautiful product. The product link is in the description box and the website, so you can search around it. Seventh Grade is another company that is budget friendly. And all they have is cross stitch and some other craft. Bookmark, pillowcase, bead embroidery. So it's only for cross stitch, 7th grade. And some of the craft cross stitch related. Okay. Well, thank you, 7th grade, and thank you everybody for keeping company. Thank you, 7th grade, for this wonderful product. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to visit 7th grade. They have sales right now running around. And you can get a good deal in there. It's only cross stitch, okay? And DIY craft and other embroidery related craft. Okay, bookmarks, they have bookmarks too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget again to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified for new videos. Okay, and search the playlist. We have different craft over here, including paper towel. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.